Here's why Hinduism is not true. Hindus claim the Vedas are divinely inspired, but they contain scientific errors like the sun orbiting the earth and outdated social laws like the caste hierarchy. Hindus claim karmic justice perfectly explains suffering, but infant disabilities, disaster deaths, and animal suffering require positing unknowable prior life deeds. Therefore, the theory becomes unfalsifiable and risks blaming victims. Hindus claim that their gods are morally perfect, but many of their gods regularly commit deception, violence, and favoritism within their scriptures, which contradicts the idea of any moral consistency. Hindus claim that their main goal is the complete dissolution of the self, but Bhakti traditions promise individuals a personal fellowship with a personal God. Therefore, Hindu epistemology contains mutually exclusive ultimates. Hindus claim that nonviolence is foundational to their theology. However, their Vedic texts permit animal sacrifice and valorize warfare. Hindus claim that avatars are historical interventions. However, there is no independent evidence to support this. Hindus claim astrology reveals karmic order. However, controlled experiments find no predictive power within the cosmos. Hindus claim that mantras and rituals produce concrete real-world effects. However, these effects don't exceed placebo or natural variation. Hindus claim that souls reincarnate until liberation, but there's no verifiable memory of past lives, making reincarnation an unfalsifiable theory, not a demonstrable fact. Hindus claim that gurus possess extraordinary amounts of knowledge. However, guru lineages have frequently disagreed and have produced scandals and failed prophecies. Hindus claim that spiritual liberation completely ends human suffering. However, enlightened Hindus have still faced hardships, gotten sick, and died, showing that spiritual liberation doesn't end human suffering in any observable way. Hindus claim that all religions are valid paths to truth. However, logically, this is contradictory considering other religions outright deny Hindu core beliefs. Hindus may say this video is wrong, but ask them why. Logically, because something can only be true if you can adequately explain why.